Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file quarterly percentage tax. We will cover who needs to file and the various types of percentage taxes. You will learn the complete online filing process, from accessing the portal to submitting your declaration. Finally, we will discuss important payment deadlines and potential penalties for noncompliance, ensuring you stay fully compliant with tax regulations. Generally, non-VAT registered individuals and businesses whose gross annual sales or receipts do not exceed 3 million pesos are required to file percentage tax. The most common type is the 3% percentage tax on sales or receipts. However, specific industries may have different percentage tax rates, so it is crucial to identify your applicable tax type correctly. To file online, first access your country's official tax agency's online portal. Log in using your credentials and select the appropriate quarterly percentage tax form. Carefully input all your financial data, ensuring accuracy to avoid discrepancies. Before finalizing, thoroughly review your entire declaration for any errors or omissions. This step is critical for a smooth submission. After filing, proceed to pay your percentage tax using authorized online payment channels. It is vital to complete your payment by the designated deadline to avoid any penalties. Remember to keep comprehensive digital records of all your filed returns and payment confirmations for future reference. Late filing typically incurs a 25% surcharge on the tax due, plus interest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.